This travel show is 100% candid since people don't know they're on camera. Apply some gravity to that like and subscribe button, because today we're meeting up with Joey, our new friend from Cancun, to explore the streets of Mexico City. Your area?
I just got here, so, like literally a
true.
few minutes ago.
Oh, so you just checked into a place?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I was gonna have those two girls over today, and then maybe this Sunday or next Sunday I'll have another two girls over, the girls from Cuernavaca. So if you're around, man, I'll hit you up.
It's good to see you, man. Fucking Cancun, now Mexico City. Shit, man. I guess it depends on where you go. Like, Romare area, or is that?
Merced.
Oh, sorry, making those TikToks.
Yeah, exactly. Those are short too. You know what there. I thought it was just people dancing, but it's.
I thought you were going to.
I usually do. Oh, sweet.
Sí, muy mexicano, sí.
Oh, another one?
What do you like?
También, it was 5 soles, también.
Okay.
Gracias. Cheers.
They don't win any competitions around the world.
They just want to chill and coexist with the other beers.
Yeah, exactly. I'm a beer
You
snob.
fucking snob.
Fancy bitch.
It's a Mexican lager.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'll do this. Whoa, 16%?
No. It's 6.2. And I have this one that is new, but this is.
Eso por allá.
Inglaterra, de Estados Unidos.
Estados Unidos, pero mis padres son brasileños, entonces
Ok.
así yo hablo portuñol, ayudo con español y
¿Qué?
sí. No tiene nada de medio.
Usted es como de señora. Ustedes son más señoras.
Entonces ustedes son señoras, ¿no?
Sí.
Entonces son señoras,
Yo no soy señora.
Sí. Bueno, salud, suerte, todo. Salud. Tú también, chao. Yeah. ¿Cómo está? ¿Todo bien? Yes, está perfecto. Bonito día. So that's Sonora. Okay. It's actually kind of cool though. I like this. Which way?
Entrada?
Está bien, gracias.
Entrance is entrada?
Yeah, entrada.
Get one of those small bottles.
I mean, you can even show it for show. If you see a little soccer ball, let me know. Like under their chin. See, like this guy.
Oh, okay. You want to do a loop around the building?
Yeah, I'll follow you. See, that smells so good. This guy just making pancakes. Huele muy bueno.
Smell, what do you want?
Entonces, ¿alguien viene aquí y compra un cosa total? O? Está bien chévere. También, gracias. Qué bueno.
Oh, get a snack if you want something.
Sure, they got some good food there. Hola, ¿puedo mirar un menú rapidito? Tiene mucho, también. Gracias, también. I mean, if anything, I would try one of these tostadas, maybe like a shrimp one and an octopus one, but... ¿De camarón, por favor? Sí. Sí, son, gracias.
If there are a lot of people here, it must be decent.
Oh shit, do you have change? For 500?
No, I just have 500.
¿Solo camarón?
Un poquito de verdura, sí, también, gracias. A shrimp quesadilla is 10 pesos.
God, that's amazing.
No sé, también, gracias. This was like $1.
Yeah, that's
Fucking
good.
shrimp.
That's good.
Bro, how is this 30 pesos?
What's up?
This
I
thing
know.
is loaded
I
with
know.
shrimp.
Exactly.
Dude, this is fire, cheap, local. You know una basura? Oh, gracias. Hey, fue muy rico. Oh, gracias.
Gracias.
Nah, bread's good. ¿Cuánto para uno de estos? Oh, de estos, está bien.
I got this. I got 10.
I only got 4.
Yeah, I got this.
You sure?
Yeah, I have change.
Alright, word. I feel like you're my sugar daddy, just getting me everything I need.
So good.
I just need
You'll
6.
hook me up another time. Well, you got the beers actually.
True.
some artificial shit.
Yeah.
Make it even cheaper than it already is, and people die from just drinking a few beers in China. I've seen it on videos. I thought, oh my god, I was going to be a part of this. This is it. Probably go the opposite side.
I just love interacting with, oh my god, these tacos. Yeah, these are the tacos. See, they have Ricos Tacos de Quesada, they have all these different kinds.
I haven't had mole yet, so.
Cabrón. Su permiso, aquí puede tener un taco con mole y pollo, todo juntos. Ah, qué padre. Wow. Ah, está bien. ¿Ya acabó? Ah. Hola, permiso. ¿Tú ya no tienes tacos de pollo y mole o ya acabó?
Ya no tengo mole, ya se acabó, ya nomás tengo.
Tú-
No, ya no tengo.
Almost out of everything. like-
Peppers? Oh, yeah, we'll just
Yeah,
check
yeah,
it
we'll
out
check.
next time.
Está bien, gracias. Votamos otro día entonces. Más ciedo. Alright, yeah.
Probably hiking in the morning, so if you want to hike, we're probably going to go like 8 or something.
AM?
Yeah, say 9.
I guess just shoot me a message tonight and be like,
Yeah.
if you want me to come. If you want me to come, then I can literally be here at 8 in the morning. Like, I'll be
Or-
right there at the bottom of your steps or whatever.
If the other people in the car are coming, then we'll pick you up.
Okay.
Okay, I'll see you then.
Alright, brother. Good seeing you.
Yep.